Right. Laser Level Pro 3. Yeah, I'm trying to do this quickly. There it is. Laser Level Pro 3. Claims to do all these bits and pieces you can do with it. Yeah? Right. Now, let me tell you something. This is crap. Absolute crap. Right, let's take it out of the box. Oh, I should have taken it out of the box before, innit? I said it's crap. Anyway, it's crap. Right. There it is. That's what we get. We get a level. It's level. We got the tape measure. It's a tape measure. Right? All that palaver. In here, we had 3 spare batteries. 1, 2, and 3 batteries, yeah? Spirit level, you can do that with. You can do that with. You can do that with. On the side here, it's got this little pull tag. You pull it. Okay, make sure that is off. You pull it. Now, the batteries inside there should be making contact. You switch it on, and you should get a laser. Where's our laser? It's crap. Yeah. Don't spend your money by it, right? Now, the reason the batteries are missing is because I swapped them. Because when it didn't work, I thought, okay, give it the benefit of the doubt. Swap the battery. Still nothing. Don't buy it. Keep your money. People, stop robbing people. Please. People, later, take care of yourself and your family.